Get it.
I know.
You taking pictures?
Mm-hmm.
Hmm?
No, we're
It's
not
garbage. You gonna put it in the garbage?
No.
No, you're only fooling me.
I put it in the garbage.
Well, I guess I should have started taking the picture before. When she...
You want me to help you do it? You want me to help you do it? Come on, we'll do it together. Did you get frustrated? Say to Grandma,
too hard
I'm
for her.
frustrated.
It's too hard for her. She was doing it before, though.
This is more fun.
I'm gonna shoot.
You do the other.